Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on this evening to choose a winner to a giveaway that I mentioned in my last Beebeecraft collaboration video. And in that video, I created a Valentine's Day beaded garland, and I used the beautiful 20 millimeter Valentine beads that I got from Beebeecraft. So anyway, to be eligible for this giveaway, you have to be 18 years or older. You have to be a subscriber to my channel or a frequent commenter. You also have to have a U.S. mailing address, and you needed to leave a comment on the collaboration video. So with that out of the way, we are going to get right to it. So let me paste in the link. Okay, I don't know why it took so many times, but there's the link. We're going to filter duplicate users. We're going to have one winner. I'm going to change this 8 seconds to 5 seconds. I need to solve the problem. And we're going to find out how many eligible comments we had. So that video had 14 eligible comments. So with that, I'm going to click start and we're going to find our winner. Good luck, everybody. And the winner of the Valentine Heart Beaded Garland is Leanna from It's a Deal. Yay, Leanna. I appreciate you so much. And her comment reads, "It came out so adorable, definitely pretty for a tiered tray or draped along a small table." Yes, I totally agree. That's how I thought that I would use it, but I don't have any tiered trays. So I'm glad it's going to somebody who definitely decorates for the holidays and has tiered trays. So thank you so much, Leanna, for watching my video, for commenting, and being such a great supporter to my channel. And that is a thank you that goes out to everybody else. I just really appreciate everybody participating, commenting, watching the videos, and supporting me. It's just such a thrill to my heart. And anyway, so Leanna, I already have your address, so I can get that in the mail, but I would appreciate it if you drop a comment down below this video, letting me know that you did see the video and that you are my winner. Oh, and I did want to mention to everybody that I have another Beebeecraft collaboration video coming out in the next few days, and it is also going to have a giveaway in it, so be watching for that. And once again, I'm hoping I can do something that's a little bit different than what we usually see done with the Beebeecraft products. So anyway, with that, have a great evening. Thanks again for watching and participating, and I will catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.